Joe, where's my bloopers? Where's my bloopers, Joe?
Shut the f up. How about that?
It's a pizza pole, pizza pee.
We make dreams come true.
Don't lie to him.
You want that stuff to
All right, go ahead.
And as the campaign continues, you'll see the occasional comment from people that say that they should stop shooting Nerf guns at the marketing director. Who is that?
Some of those tools can be used in a safe washing method. Yo! We're filming here, bro.
Hey. Oh, no.
Oh man, okay, serious. Buddy, I need to finish the video, okay? Thank you, thanks buddy. Ready? Open. Pretend that you don't have a ceiling cap in there. Don't waste your ceramic boost trying to make a turd shine like a diamond.
I love it, man. This has been great. We're so much shinier now. Thank you so much.
Please take one glass towel, not a 2-pack, just one.
This is a 2008 Toyota 4Runner. This actually blows
Shampoo, it's our longest selling soap, and it's a pretty similar, really? What the f an IK spray? I'm glad you asked.
God damn it, Joe.
Go find some more noise making shit that's very close to where I'm filming if you can.
Is that rolling?
Yeah.
Of course it is.
And check us out at adamspolishes.com/. No, wait.